Just a quick update on XRP then. Daily update on the hourly time frame. You can see still very much in our range here. Clear as you like, clean sideways range with Bitcoin going sideways. We've seen XRP chopping sideways as well, very much just following the overall market. As we can see, XRP here is just basically chopping sideways at support like a lot of cryptos are right now. Bitcoin sitting at around 62, 63k, near the bottom of the range that it's been accepted back into right now. And really looking not too bad, to be honest, not too shabby at all. XRP as a result is just going sideways as you would expect, just like most altcoins are right now. But I do think we're going to get our time in the sun pretty soon once we do start to see XRP really having a nice little recovery off of this very, very clear support area that we've been holding for such a long time. You can see we're probably just going to bounce here and head back up. Going into the bull market, you can see yourself breaking through these resistances, finally getting some of those price targets we've been looking for XRP. Right now, XRP very much just chopping sideways and waiting for Bitcoin to make its move to the upside still.